gets to be wild because you got front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive cars, old ones, new ones. That's a Taurus wagon out there, the 88. That's right, you better I missed them all ago. Check that Bull. He's got the Bull radio station on the hood of that thing. Wow! Guy got one speed, so he puts the floor, thinks he's right on the track. A lot of these cars are bigger than a 104-inch wheelbase, which is what most compact designations are. So what I'm saying is, before you get rid of that old 170,000-mile car, knock the windows out, do a little work on it, bring it out here in Demolition Derby. Todd Broadfield in the 17, that's an old Malibu. It doesn't look like a car, 80 Malibu. Just color much you way down the track. And the zero came shooting through there and almost didn't stop. But look at here. Parked himself up on the thing. Broadfield was just backing up and just moved it just wrong. We'll see if he can help get off of there, but they're all kind of commingled in one spot. 777s is out already. Can't bring in 777s. Red flags are out. Red flags are out. We'll have to get their attention here. Here we go, we're back to green. Back to racing. Sometimes those little short periods of stopping can be good, and they can also be bad on these engines. They can say they're idling, cars getting hot. Look at the right rear wheel on the South of 55. Holy cow! Look at the left rear wheel on the 55. Comes up to the 88 car. Jason's belt. Brakes loose. Got Broadfield in that 17, that Malibu trying to get a restart. So is the 19. He fires right back up and away he goes. That's Janelle. Janelle brought forward. Janelle's out there. '55 just broke the flag off the other side, it looks like. The nice thing about this is one time for the money. You won't have a heat, another heat coming out. You get bragging rights to doing the 6-cylinder. Now the 6-cylinders are allowed to come back to the racing, aren't they? So they can come back to the people those so desire, but getting a few of them parked now. It depends on who you really like. Now you got Fords out there, you got Chevrolets out there. Let's see what else we still got running. That Taurus wagon's really good to me. A lot of guys running the day trying to get restarted the N6. Stanley Miller's trying to restart the N6. 17's laying still. In fact, there's only 2 cars that are even moving at this point in time. And the 16 is trying to get out of there. Nothing like getting a little help from your friend, isn't it? Hey, look who got out of the corner. Tell you what, it's not exactly like getting out of that parking spot at Walmart, but check the front wheels on the 19. You know, brought forward in that 19 and the 88, Jason Phelps. Jill from Mount Holly, and of course Jason is from Leroy. 666 is told he's out. Nick Remington runs out of time. Third. Janelle's trying to get that thing restarted. It's running. She found reverse. Hang on a second, we got the red flags out. Got a flicker of a little bit of flame underneath the hood of the 666s. Driver seems calm. A lot calmer than I've been, I'll tell you what. Let's give him a hand. Great race. Third place, by the way. Late entry, making his way to the track. No, just kidding. It's not over. Too much time in the beer tent right there. Just kidding, just kidding. He was celebrating though, and we still got two cars out there, and the green flags are on. Hey, it's either going to be Janelle or it's going to be Jason. Hey, Janelle's got a Ford, and Jason's got a Ford. Fairmont, Taurus, look, Jason, look, he's not running. She's running, he's not. Guess who's on the clock? She's trying to get that Taurus wagon fired up. There it goes. Gives a little running room. Every time he pushes that back into the Janelle's car down a little bit further, it makes it harder for her to back up. Doesn't want to get over there because he can easily get hung up. Yeah, he's trying to put her in for a stack and pack. That's how you get to that last parking spot at Walmart. You're the one in between the handicapped people and the, pregnant people and the clock. Jeez. There it is, right there.